up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 32 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from 1967. An epic year, because it's the year I was born. And this is from DeAgostini, folks. If you'd like this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link, all the way along there. It's also in the description below. Head over to DeAgostini and take out a subscription, folks. You will not be disappointed in this. It is stunning. Right, let's have a quick flip through the magazine. The IMSA Camel GT Challenge Series. Now, look at the size of all of that on that car there. The Camel GT Challenge Series, a championship for GT Grand Touring cars, provided or proved to be brilliant showcase for Ford's Mustang. It allowed the car to show its full racing potential by competing and beating cars of rival companies. Look at that. Hey. Wow. I think they put a serious body kit on that, didn't they? In the 1980s, Ford developed the Mustang to compete in the GT prototype category of the IMSA Camel GT Challenge. The car seen here on the Ford test circuit in Dearborn was powerful and very fast, but a number of inherent technical problems prevented it from achieving racing success. I do like the colour scheme though. Upper rear axle section is what we're going to be putting together today. You've got some springs, etc. So you'll need the parts that you done on the previous issue, folks, to hand. So grab them when you can, and we'll be putting this all together step by step, showing you how to do it. And that's what we're going to end up with as a finished axle assembly, ready to be fitted to the rear chassis sections. You're going to need that as well, folks. And that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this episode. And where it's going to be going on your model is there. Okay. So already you're seeing that that large chassis is only, half the car. It's going to be massive. Ford's participation in Can-Am was Dan Gurney, Chuck Parsons and Jackie Oliver fight for victory in the Los Angeles Time Grand Prix at the Riverside Circuit, and this was the 1969 Can-Am Series. The event featured top-notch participants. Look at the cars. GT7 with Jack Brabham at the steering wheel. Yeah, 1969. Base of the Ford GT Spider, similar to this. Ford developed the car which it tried to conquer the Can-Am. Open top as well. Yeah. The spoilers on these. Amazing how it's changed over the years, isn't it? And yeah, like a big old door wedge, isn't it? But yeah, stunning. These guys, there's Bruce McLaren, bless him, on his way to victory in the '69 Los Angeles Time Grand Prix. Yeah, McLaren orange, there it is. Yeah, give these a read, folks. You find out so much history of motorsport. So we'll just flip back and put that at the back there, and then we'll get our parts out for today. Do a bit of assembly for you, folks. Right, folks, let's get the axle from the previous issue, which is here, and then line that back up ready, just like so. And then we're going to be sandwiching that between these two halves. Okay, so spin this round. There's the other half of the notch, and that will go in just like so. Okay, so that's what we want, just like that. And that is going to be fixed in place with DS02 screws, folks. Okay, so we're going into die cast, so we want a bit of oil on them. Just put a little drop on there, then I'll grab that with my hand, and we'll start screwing that together. Just like so. And work my way out to the edges, then do it that way. Bit of oil on the end there. Rest it on my knuckle. There you go. Grab that one. And then do the same with that under there. And then spin it round, and then we can do that one. Just like that. And that will give you then your rear axle with your differential housing all encased. Okay, that's what you're going to end up with. Let's just turn the page. We then want our springs in place. So it says place one spring over each of the two posts on the upper rear axle, 32A as shown. And then you're inserting them as shown with the rounded rectangles. So we want them over there, like so. The chassis is shown in the rounded rectangle position there. Okay, so that's what we're after, folks. So we want to grab those and these two washers, folks, for when we put this rear axle. So let's grab our rear. Bring our rear chassis in. And we're going to be putting this on the rear chassis that way round, folks, okay? That's going up under there. I'm just going to move the magazine off so that I can then put these washers on, okay? So we got one going in like so with the screws, okay? So we want a bit of oil on there. Try and hold this in position like that, and then we want to go in this section there is what we want. So we're going to leave a ridge on there, and then we can start tightening that screw down. There you go. Like that. And then we'll turn her around and do it the same that way. There you go. On with a washer like so. We're going into plastic there. So just rest that on there with your pinky, and then we can try to get that in place like that. There you go. It's just started to bite. Now I can screw down. I'm just keeping that under tension so that it bottoms out on top of the post. Then I can release it. It pops that straight into place. And that will then give us the rear axle in place like so. Okay. So that's what we're up to, folks. Looking rather mean and menacing and purposeful, isn't she? That's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Rear chassis with differential in place and your rear springs. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself, head over to this link. It's also in the description below. Go and give DeAgostini a visit, folks. Subscribe to this 1/6 scale Partwork. You will not be disappointed. Also, to help me out, just click that little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me grow my channel, folks. And if you want to see more content, ring the little bell as well whilst you're down there. That will notify you of future content. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.